Snowplows have their work cut out as snowstorm Nemo continues to batter the U.S. Northeast. The storm dumped heavy snow from Michigan to Vermont on Friday before covering Canadian provinces. Blizzard conditions prompted 5 U.S. governors to declare a state of emergency in affected areas. Some even banned driving as roads became more treacherous. The conditions have caused many travelers to become stuck at airports. At New York's LaGuardia Airport, staff set up temporary beds after thousands of flights were canceled. Forecasters predict some cities, including Boston, could be in for 2 feet of snow and 60-mile-an-hour winds.